All right, guys, I'm working on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox with a 2-liter turbo engine. I just want to talk to you for a minute about the starter and the starter location. Now, on these all-wheel drive models, the transfer case, the exhaust, and the drive shaft all get in your way of where the starter is. If you take a look up in there, you can see that just above the transfer case, underneath of the intake manifold, that's where the starter is. So there's two yellow wires. One is a solid yellow, the other one's a yellow with a green tracer. Those are both of your signal wires that tells the solenoid to close and engage power to turn the starter motor over. If it has just one yellow wire, that means it's just a regular starter. If it has the yellow and yellow with a green, then it is your auto stop starter. So this one came in, wouldn't start. I was able to feed a pry bar in through the side, through the wheel well to tap on the starter while I had my coworker cranking it, and sure enough, it turned over, fired up. But the book time's about 5 hours to replace this starter and requires you to remove drive shaft, the exhaust, the transfer case, they call this the transfer case, or front differential that bolts to the transmission, and a few other things, and it just does not look very fun. So I get to try this job tomorrow, and if there's any sort of workarounds or cheats, I'll be sure to make a video to let you guys know. But I'm so sorry for you if you have to do this in your driveway. I feel bad. Hopefully you can get it done. So dumb though that they could have literally put the starter anywhere but there. Like, could have relocated the filter housing and stuck the starter like right in the very front. That would have been nice, or something like that. I don't know. Anyhow, I just want to make a quick one on that, and let me know if you had any comments. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.